Hi, welcome to Jarmasala. So I'm going to show you how I make my Cajun flavored stuffed bell pepper today. So to do that, I have some tuna, canned tuna. You can also use chicken. I have some fresh mozzarella, avocado, some cherry tomatoes, cilantro, and one chili pepper. And to season this, I'm going to just add some salt, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to use our Cajun masala. And I'm going to use about half a teaspoon, but you can season to your taste. Just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add a little bit of canola oil. And a little bit of lemon juice. And then I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Mix all this together, and then we're just going to stuff our bell peppers. So I'm going to add some fresh mozzarella cheese to our stuffed bell peppers, and then I'm going to season a little bit more with the Cajun masala, and then I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And our bell peppers are done, and this is how it looks after 20 minutes at 350 degrees in the oven. Please do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipe ideas using my spices. And to order, send me a DM or visit jarmasala.com.